Mirabelle, are we going to go on a ferry ride this afternoon with Dad? He said he'd be home at lunchtime. Maybe you just don't take an afternoon nap today. You haven't been really taking one that good anyway. What do you think about that? You've never ridden on the ferry before. Pretty soon it's going to get too cold. Where are you going? No, not in the bathroom. Okay, well that's fine. No playing in the toilet like yesterday. No. Come on, it's gross. We're not playing in the bathroom. Icky. Icky. We're closing this door. No. Mirabelle, I said no. Mirabelle, you don't want to play there. Believe me, it's icky. Here, come on.
Yeah.
You don't go in there anymore. Shut the door. Are you going into your bed? I think it's time for a nap here in about 5 minutes. Or you want to go take a nap? Hey, what are you doing? You climbing on there? You want to go in? Well, we're going to wait a few minutes, so it's time for a nap. 5 minutes, okay? I don't know. What are you going to try and do? Climb in there from there? No. Okay.